Hello, my name is Ryan, and I'm super excited to show you the citation map feature of AnswerThis. Now, you'll see that this looks a little bit empty, and that's because we need to put in a paper first to create a citation map from. To do this, we can simply just make a simple search and see what comes up. So I'm just going to say atomic structure, see what papers come up. We see that there's different papers, some with 2,619 citations, 4,491. Quite a few here. We can actually save these to our library from here if we wish. But another way that we can actually get a citation map is also by entering our DOI. So if we go to our library and we can see our DOI is right here, we can go ahead, we can copy the DOI, or from our literature review search or just general search of AnswerThis, we can also find the DOIs in the paper there as well. Now, if we head back to the citation map, we can simply just select this DOI that we saved from before and insert it. And from here, we'll find our paper and we can set this as origin. After we set as origin, we get something that looks like this, where we can see our paper in the middle here with all the connected papers around it. We can see the different arrows of where they're being cited to, as well as some of the papers on the outskirts as well, which is related to our topic. Now, from here on the right hand side, we see our paper info, and if we select this metrics option, we can then see the most cited papers within this list. So we can see one of them has 968 citations. We can also see the most connected papers in here, as well as the top contributing authors inside of this paper search. But if we click out of that, we can also see the origins on the right hand side. Since we only have one paper as our origin, it makes sense that we can only see one paper here as well. And finally, we have this more controls option where we can go to advanced settings. We can change the size of the papers that are inside of our citation map. We can also decrease the size and change the colors as well. And interestingly, we can also increase the max papers that our citation map shows. So we can go ahead and increase the amount of papers here, or also decrease the amount of papers, as well as zoom out, zoom in, and if we want to reset the settings, we can also press fit here too. Now, if we click out of here, we can zoom out, and if we go back into the metrics bit and go to the most cited papers, we can actually set some of these papers as origin as well. And when we do this, we will get an additional citation map, as we can see. And now when we go back to the origin page, we can see that there are multiple origins, and of course we can increase the amount of papers here in order to increase our citation map size. I hope you found this helpful. I'm excited to hear how you use the citation map in order to discover new papers, see the papers that are connected, and all that good stuff that we discussed. And if you do want to see more tips and guides like this, feel free to head over to the Answer This YouTube channel, where you can find more valuable resources just like this. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching.